Welcome. This is your safe space, a sacred moment to come home to yourself, to release the burdens you've carried, and to open the door to your soft, flowing, feminine energy. Find a quiet space where you can be alone. Sit or lie down in comfort. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it and exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw unclench and let yourself surrender to this guided meditation. Let us begin. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you may be holding tension: your chest, your stomach, your hips. Breathe into these spaces. With each breath, give yourself permission to release. Breathe in and breathe out. Release even deeper with every single breath. You don't need to hold on to the tension any longer. You are safe now. You are allowed to soften. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a calm river. The water is slow and smooth. You're barefoot and grounded. The earth beneath you is warm. The earth beneath you is warm. Across the river stands a figure, a man. This man symbolizes the masculine energy that has impacted your life. It may be your father, a past lover, an ex, a version of masculinity you have learned to fear. Look at him. Look at him in the eyes. He does not speak. He is simply watching you. Let any memories rise, not to relive, but to release. Now, speak these words. I see the ways I've been hurt by you and by the wounded masculinity. I honor the girl within me who felt unprotected, unseen, or unloved. And I let go now. Not to forget, but to finally be free. Feel the river between begin to flow stronger. It carries away all that no longer serves you: resentment, anger, shame, fear. As it flows, you feel your own energy shift. You soften, you open. You remember who you are beneath the armor. Now place your hands over your heart and speak these words. I am stepping back into my true feminine flow. I choose softness without fear. I choose intuition over force. I choose to receive, to rest, to rise in love, not survival. Feel your body respond. Your heart opens and your shoulders relax. You feel a great weight lifted from your entire body. A gentle light glows around you. This is your divine feminine. She has always been here, waiting for your return. Breathe her in now. Feel her throughout your body, in your hips, your chest, your throat. Let her expand throughout you. Now, look back across the river. The masculine figure is no longer there. You feel peace, not because everything is fixed, but because you are now free. Take a final breath in. Exhale completely. Begin to bring yourself back slowly. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and gently open your eyes. You've done a very powerful healing today. You've honored your past and you've reclaimed your feminine power. You are whole, you are worthy, and you are free to flow within your feminine energy. And feel free to return back to this powerful guided meditation anytime you feel as though your masculine energy is consuming you. Thank you, and I will see you next time.